Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off console lock on screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Nintendo Switch 2 is turned off or in sleep mode, and you want to go ahead and open it up. How do you actually go ahead and remove this mode here where it's a simple unlock? Well, to do this, all you've got to do is press the same button 3 times. But in order to remove that, just click on System Settings. Then you want to navigate to where it says System. So once you click on System, you're going to see this option here that says Manually Unlock Screen After Sleep Mode. So what this setting is that it locks the system so that the same button needs to be pressed 3 times in order to exit sleep mode. So if you want to go ahead and remove that setting, just toggle this off, then press the power off button. And notice how when we power it back on, all we've got to do is press it once, and our Nintendo Switch 2 is now unlocked. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off console lock on screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.